Good day, folks. Hope you're all doing well. I'm up here on a guy's lot here right now, and I just figured I'd take a minute to talk to you about wood splitting. There's definitely an art to it. Most people, they don't know how to do it properly or efficiently, and I'd just like to share a little bit of tips with you. First steps first, you need yourself a good axe. Myself, I've gone and I've bought one of those fifth-gear axes from Canadian Tire. 89 bucks, I think they are. It has a nice wedge shape here in the blade. Probably the best axe I've used for splitting. It's light. You can swing it almost all day. You never get tired. So another thing about wood, you want to try to place your blocks top up. When your tree falls, it splits easier from the top of the tree down. So we start at the bottom block or the butt block, flip it up, and start splitting it that way. When your axe hits the block of wood, you want to flick your wrist sort of. Just as the axe hits, give it a little bit of a flick, and it'll help bust them up a little bit faster. There's no need to put it on blocks. You see videos all the time or see people going and picking the block up, setting it on another block. To me, that's just wasting energy. You burn more energy trying to pick the block up to set it on that block. Just tip them up over and split them. I got a bunch here topped up, ready to go. I'll bust them up here. Then we'll haul them off the mountain. There, that ought to make it a little bit easier to haul her off the mountain. And then we'll go on and find some more.